welcome back to my new video. Today onwards, this lecture onwards, we are going to discuss the subject called chords. But before that, let me have a quick recap what we done in the past videos. We seen the name of the strings, we done some left hand right hand exercises, and then we understood what is the semitone, what is whole tone, and knowing semitone whole tone helped us to understand how scales are formed, and we seen with the help of the formula what is a major scale and what is minor scale and how they are formed. So now we know the scales. The next step is, on the basis of the scale, we should know what chords is. And before I start the topic, it's a humble request, if you haven't seen my previous video, go back and watch all the videos starting from the first till now. Every video, every session is interdependent on each other. So starting the topic, what is the chords? So chords is basically a sound when more than one note is played. For example, this is the single note, but if I play more than one note, it sounds chord. So chord basically is a rhythmic part of a song or music. For example, if you playing song like this, you are playing basically the vocals, leads of the song. So it calls a leads or a melody. But if you playing like this, then you are playing the rhythm part of the song. That means you are playing chords. So chords is a rhythm part of the song or a music. But what is the technical definition of the chord? So technical definition of chord is nothing but stack of three. You write it down. If you feel this is very important, you write it down. Chords is stack of three. Now what I mean by that, stack of three? Stack of three means in any scale we have 7 notes, right? So starting from first note, which is a root, if you count 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1 and its third note, and from its third note again you count 3, 1, 2, 3. That means if you have 5 notes and this is your root note, then 1, 2, 3, your third, and then from third you again count 3, 1, 2, 3. So stack of 3, 3 plus 3. So this root note plus its third plus its fifth. 1, 2, 3, this note, and then from here again 3, 1, 2, 3, this note. So your root, stack of 3, that means root, third, and then fifth. If you play this together, it will form a chord for that particular root note. For example, in this diagram, let's see how the C major chord is formed. So in C major scale, we have notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So C is a root note, and if you count 3 from C, C, D, E, and from E you count 3 again, 1, 2, 3, G. So C, G and E, these 3 notes together creates a C major chord. Let's take another example. G major chord. So G major chord is, this is a G major scale. So if you count 3 from start, G, A, B, third, and then again from third 3 note, D. So G, B and D. These 3 notes form G major chord. Again, let's say minor scale. So A minor scale. So this is a A minor scale. So A is the first note. You count 3, C, and you count 3, E. So A, C, E, A. So A, C and E. This forms A minor chord. Again another example, D minor chord. So this is a D minor scale. So D is a root chord. You count 3, F, and then from F you count 3, A. So D, A, F. This forms D minor chord. So chords is nothing but stack of 3. Okay. So this is a technical thing how chords are formed, and now next lecture onwards we are going to learn all major chords with its 1, 3, 5 notations. In next lecture, so I am dividing this lecture in 4 parts. One is theory, which we completed today, what are chords and how it formed. In next lecture we are going to cover all major chord on the open position. In third lecture we are going to cover all minor chord on open position, and in fourth lecture we are going to cover all 7 chord in a open position, and the definition of a 7 position technically I will explain in fourth lecture when we will cover a 7th chord. So in this chord series we are going to cover all major chords, all minor chord, all 7 chord at this beginner stage on a open position. So all the best. Pay attention to this entire series and have fun with your chords. Thank you. See you in the next lecture. Bye.